Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Duolingo. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Duolingo app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Once you open up it, it will land up you to this interface. So here simply tap on three dot on bottom right corner. Now tap on profile. Now here you can see profile, tap on this. And now here you can select skin tone, body, accessories. In order to select, simply tap on it and it will be selected. You can select body type also. You can select many accessories. You can select glasses. So in this way you can change profile picture on Duolingo. Once you change, tap on done. So you can see that you have successfully changed profile picture. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.